Biography of Junaid Jamshed. Introduction. Junaid Jamshed was a Pakistani singer, songwriter, fashion designer, television personality, and a member of Tablighi Jamaat. He was a singer, but he left singing when he met with Tariq Jamil as Naat Khan. When he left his career as a singer, he used to sing Naat and called officially as Naat Khan. He had his own store of clothes called JJ. Biography. Name Junaid Jamshed, nickname JJ. Date of birth 3 September 1964. Place of birth Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Hometown Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Age in 2016 52 years. Date of death 7 December 2016. Place of death Islamabad. Nationality Pakistani. Religion Islam. Passion Naat Khan, singer, fashion designer, and preacher. School International Boarding High School, Yambo, Saudi Arabia. College University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore, Pakistan. Qualifications Graduate Mechanical Engineering. Hobbies Singing, swimming, exercising, traveling. Family Father name Jamshed Akbar. Mother name Nafeesa Akbar. Brothers Omer Jamshed and Humayun Jamshed. Sister Muneeza Jamshed. Wives Aisha Junaid and Nahia Junaid. Sons Taimur Junaid, Babar Junaid and Saifullah. Daughter one daughter. Body status eye color brown, hair color black, chest 44 inches, weight in kg 90 kg, in pounds 198 IBS, height in centimeter 186 centimeter, in meters 1.86 meter, in feet inches 6.